is hope you tam ta ho at hi ho min ngai lut na lei lo ta ai tha pi ho ho cookie hi zi wa thi hi lo ham ha cookie ki ti zi wa thi hi lo ham a hi le cookie ki ti chu bi de hi sa ham cookie ki ti chu how ki te a se ha ma hi lo le khong sai te a se tha do te a se ham cookie ki ti hi ination ho he hoi e ki bin vo nau he cookie hi cây dòng cookie cái gì đi bồi nó hoa dòng cookie đi bồi à tụm cookie cái gì à tụm ông thầy bồi à sau đó thì cái clan đi leo clan bằng yêu nào vậy na amate chứ yêu số cái rồi yêu rồi thì dòng lệ tu tự đi à bằng cái tu hi phung lệ chẳng ai cái gì lại cái hiện phát hi ham cái yellow vin nè nằm lầm cái hoa hi vin à chứ dòng lệ cái phung lệ chẳng chỉ chịu hoa phung lâm cái hoa hi vin đúng set đến cái yellow để tu à bằng tu à hi chan kít nó vào lại igam hi tu à e san tên ai hậu nào hi na pu na pa khang na mu lo dio hi tai na cha te khang na mu lo dio na mu lo south na mu lo dio ai ti pa hi sumol phau te ka.
My name is Rati Johnson. I came all the way from USA and so I belong to Amar, and which is also under the umbrella of Cookie. And what I would like to say, what I have seen here and how I have seen from outside, that because of all this ethnic cleansing, our heart has been crying and we have been broken, and we really wanted to come here and be with our people. And when I came here, I see that breaks my heart is that my people are dividing, that I can see, that they are all thinking about themselves, not talking about the unity or being in unity. And what I want all my people to know is that we should be born again in two things. One is through Jesus, that we should be born again. And we should be born again in our history. We have to know who we are, what we are, that we are Cookie. Under the Cookie umbrella, we can be a lot. We can be Mar, Mizo, Paite, Tado, Vaipe, and all the other tribes that we have. As long as we are from Manipur, and we are not Naga, and we are tribal, that means we are Cookie. In Burma, they call us Chin, and in Manipur, they call us Cookie, and that's how they call us, that they kill us. They know our history so well, that's why they kill us as a Cookie, and we should remember that. And in Mizoram, they call us Mizo, so when we go to Mizoram, we are all Mizo. So, the same thing. And please be unity. That's what I wanted to give a message to everybody.